Hello everyone and welcome to this course on Microsoft Excel. Today in this first video we are going to discuss about the layout basics of Microsoft Excel. First of all, we are going to open a blank workbook. So as you can see, we have opened a blank workbook, and a workbook is provided with columns and rows. The columns are alphabetically numbered whereas rows are numerically numbered, and you get around 16,000 columns and 1 million rows in MS Excel to work with. The intersection of a row and a column is known as cell. A cell is provided for you to type on. You can type anything in a cell. For example, we'll type Microsoft in A1 and Excel in A2. The naming of cells is done on the basis of the column and row it refers to. For example, this cell is refers to the first row of column A, so it is named as A1. You can type either in the cell or also you can type in the formula bar which is given above, such as you can type here scholars space. Now as you can see, this scholars space is quite a large than the cell. So what we can do is we can resize the cell. To resize the cell, we can simply go to the space between the columns, and here you can see a arrow comes, and you can basically resize with the help of this arrow. And one feature that Microsoft Excel gives you for resizing is that if you double click in this place, automatically it resizes to the approximate size of the cell, like this. In the bottom left corner of the screen you can see sheet number. Here you can add another sheet, and the sheet will go on corresponding to the numbers after the previous number of the sheet. And you can also rename a sheet here, just like here. I'll rename it to write and see it like scholars, and here. Now what will happen if I open a new sheet? It will automatically give its name as sheet 3. Let's delete this one. And basically these are the basic steps that you will require, basic knowledge that you will require while working with Microsoft Excel. Thank you everyone for enrolling in this course of Microsoft Excel. In the next video, we will be learning about different formulas and functions of Microsoft Excel. I'm sure you'll be surprised by knowing how different mathematical operations can be done by simple tricks in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.